Welcome to a world where geography is accessible to all, regardless of vision. Traditional maps pose challenges for the visually impaired, but our new device turns this obstacle into an opportunity. Introducing the Kerala Tactile Digital Map, a multi-sensory tool for learning geography through touch and sound, featuring an embossed map of Kerala with distinct textures for each district. Press braille-enabled buttons for detailed geographical and cultural insights. Developed with input from educators and experts, this device supports self-learning and enhances the academic abilities of visually challenged students. It includes advanced 3D printing for precise embossing and practical features like USB connectivity for easy updates. While initially focused on Kerala, this adaptable and cost-effective device can be customized for any region, making it a valuable tool worldwide. Currently, reproducible designs for tactile adaptive devices are scarce, but ICFOSS is committed to providing open design solutions, ensuring free access. By revolutionizing how visually challenged students learn geography, we are creating a more inclusive world. Join us on this journey of innovation and inclusivity.